This is episode number 20 of Fast Logo Friday. I'm Aaron of Square Thunder. Every week I design a logo based on a random weird word. Because this is episode number 20, I thought about taking the previous 19 episodes and compiling them all together as kind of a collection for you to review. But then I remembered, hey, YouTube's got this great feature of playlists, and all of the episodes are in a playlist there. So if you want to watch all the previous episodes, if you haven't seen them before, there's a playlist going to be linked right around here somewhere. Instead, what I decided is to use the word compendium for this week's random word. C-O-M-P-E-N-D-I-U-M. A compendium is a little bit different from a compilation, although the two words do often get interchanged a little bit. A compendium is a collection of concise but detailed information about a particular subject, or a brief summary of a larger work. A compilation is one end product that is an assembly of previously separate items. Today I'm going to use the word compendium to design a logo for a coffee brand. Like usual, I'm going to start off with sketching out some rough ideas, and then I'll take one of those concepts into Illustrator and refine it a little bit further. And then finally I'll assemble that into some mock-ups to show the finished product. Because the word is a little bit on the long side, it will be a bit challenging in order to fit it into the space that I want to consider. I may end up using some tall, narrow letter forms. I may try abbreviating it or breaking the word into two and stacking it up. We'll just see how it works out as I start diving into it. So let's pop over to the table and I'll start sketching some ideas, and we'll see where it goes from there. So I'm going to start this off by just typing up the letters and choosing a bunch of typefaces that are roughly the characteristics that I'm looking for here. I want a sans serif. I want something fairly clean and modern. And once I've gone through and changed all those, I'm going to start evaluating each one and just deleting ones that really don't meet what I'm looking for. If you're wondering, I ended up settling on Montserrat in the semi-bold weight.
Often what I'll do here is duplicate the text and convert it to outlines so that I can still go back to the text if I need to. But I can start manipulating the shapes as individual components here. So I'll just kind of rearrange some of the lines and points and come up to a design and layout that kind of makes sense for what I'm looking for. Here I'm taking a number of shapes and duplicating them and filling in with the same color swatch as a global swatch, and then what I can do is, as I adjust the color of that swatch, that change propagates throughout the design anywhere I've used that color swatch anywhere else. That's a really useful functionality as you start working with the swatches panel. My intent here is that these top tinted rectangles will be used to represent the strength of the brew or the darkness of the roast of the finished product. This has been episode number 20 of Fast Logo Friday, where every week I design a logo based on a random weird word. Moving forward, I'm going to try to organize things into a little bit more of a thematic approach. And so I'm going to pick a theme and hover on that for a few weeks and see what happens. And then once I've exhausted that a little bit, I'll pick another theme and move forward with that. Just to kind of build a collection in different industries or different types of content. So we'll see where we go. If you like what you see here, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. If you have comments or feedback, I'd love to see those. You can type those in the comments here on YouTube, or if you see the post on Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter or Instagram or somewhere else, I always respond to comments there. So don't hesitate to connect, and I'd love to chat with you. Thanks for watching Fast Logo Friday. I'm Aaron with Square Thunder. Stay awesome.